Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make navigation in Notion. We will immediately dive into understanding the core elements of Notion's navigation system. Your Notion sidebar is the central hub for all your pages and databases, providing a clear overview of your workspace structure. Learning to effectively utilize this sidebar is the first step towards a highly organized and efficient Notion experience. We will explore how to quickly access your most important content. Now, let's personalize your Notion sidebar to make it truly work for you. You can easily drag and drop pages to reorder them or nest them under parent pages, creating a clear, hierarchical structure. Consider using toggle lists to hide less frequently accessed sections, keeping your sidebar clean and focused. Adding unique emojis or icons to your page titles also provides quick visual cues, helping you locate specific content at a glance. Moving beyond the basics, let's explore some advanced navigation techniques. Linked databases allow you to display and interact with information from one database on many different pages, creating powerful connections. Synced blocks are fantastic for maintaining consistent navigation menus or quick links across various sections of your workspace. Furthermore, designing a dedicated dashboard page can serve as a central command center, providing one-click access to your most critical projects and resources. To truly master Notion navigation, adopt these best practices. Consistent naming conventions are vital. Clear, descriptive titles make pages easy to find and understand. Make it a habit to regularly review and declutter your workspace, archiving, or deleting old pages to keep things streamlined. Finally, invest a little time in learning Notion's keyboard shortcuts. They can dramatically speed up your navigation, saving you precious seconds throughout your day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.